Hi guys, we received this 60-inch ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the box and see how it looks and how it works, okay? When we open the box, we see the instruction manual, the receiver and controller. It has 6 different speeds and you can select the intensity of the lights. Here we got the lights and okay, a down rod. Okay, that's nice. And then here we got all the wings, everything you need to install, the canopy, the base. And here we got the proper main unit. Okay, so that's in the fan. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it and let's see how it looks. Come on. Okay, as you can see, it's already installed. I actually already turned it on. It feels really nice. It has 6 speeds, as you can see in the controller. Right now it's on the 6th one, and I think it's really nice. You can turn on the light now with this button. Okay, change the temperature and the brightness with these other 2 buttons. Okay, and with the press of this button you can make the fan to go the other way around, so it's perfect for winter. Okay, so I think it's a really nice option. It's really easy to install. I like that you can place it on big rooms or wherever you want to place them, your kitchen, your dining room, your bedroom. I think it's a really nice option. I like a lot that the black design that it has. It's really minimalist and I would really recommend it. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.